good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with Competitive Exam TGT, PGT and 10th and 12th class board UP, CBSE and ICSE boards. I taught my previous video how to find the fourth type of PI, partial differential equation. I am going to start in this video how to find the PI of partial differential equation, any type of function. We are not discuss the previous methods. So, if you not see my previous video, so I request you see my previous video and after then you see in this video. So better understand of this matter. Let's start in this video, and I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel, shares and likes. Let's start in this video. PI of, you are understand the heading of this, PI of the any function of the partial differential equation. We are discuss of this method in basic concept. How to find the basic concept of this methods. So if the function of RHS of the partial differential equation in the form of given previous cases, if the RHS of the partial differential equation you are not find the previous similar of the previous cases, we are discussed previous 4 cases how to find the PI of the partial differential equation. In this method we are find the any function of PI partial differential equation. So PI of form of phi equal to x and y. We are factorized of f, d and d dash. D and d dash, we are factorize the d and d dash, we get d minus का m1 d dash, d minus का m2 d dash, d minus का m3 and d dash, and so on, d minus का mn and d dash. Then we are getting the PI equal to phi x comma y divisible by of this form d minus का m1 d dash and d minus का m2 d dash, d minus m3 and d dash, and so on, d minus का mn and d dash. We are factorized of the denominator in the form of this d minus का m1 d dash, d minus m2 d dash and d minus m3 d dash, and so on up to the end term. After that you get the PI phi x y over this in this form. Let us consider the phi x comma y upon d minus m1 d dash. We are taking only one term. Factorize of this function in another time we are taking only one term. We are discuss of this methods. So please make a note. N1 of this in the form of this. So we are discuss of this method d p minus m1 q equal to phi x comma y. Value of d, it means partial derivative of z with respect to s, we can write in the form place of d is p and d dash is q and phi x comma y. After then, this is the Lagrange PDE. This is the Lagrange form of the PDE. Write down the auxiliary equation. So dx over coefficient of p is 1 and dy over coefficient of q minus of m1 and dz over value of this r phi x comma y. We are getting three terms of the here, first, second and third. We are taking first and second term. First and second term. So dx over 1 equal to minus dy over of m1. Cross multiply m1 dx equal to minus of dy. After integrating of this function, m1x equal to minus y plus of c. Value of this m1x plus y equal to of c. You get the value of y plus m1x equal to c. And change of this value in y equal to c minus the m1 of x. After then you are taking the first and third term. We are taking first and second term, get the solution of y equal to c minus m1 of x, and again taking first and the third term. So first and third term dx over 1 or dz over phi x comma y. Cross multiply phi x comma y equal to of dx equal to of this. On integrating both sides, we are not integrate of this function because this is the function of x and y, but integrating with respect to dx. We have changed this function in overall x. After then you integrating with respect to dx. Integrate of this function only z, then z equal to integration of phi x comma value of y, putting the value of y here, c minus the m1 of x, then c minus m1 of x and then dx. Value of z equal to c phi x comma c minus m1 of x and dx. We have changed completely function in term of x. We are integrating with respect to x. After then we get the solution of value of z. Then pi phi x comma y upon f d and d dash equal to integration of phi x comma c minus m1 x into dx. So replace of this function ye in form of this. We are integrate with the form of function of this with respect to dx. So this is the standard form of the pi. You are find the any function of the pi. If you given two function x and y, we are change the y in term of x. After then you integrating with respect to x, you get the value of this. This is the basic concept of the find pi of any functions. We are understand this method by this example. We are start going to the explain of this example. Please make a note. Most important method of this pi, any function. You are getting the any function pi of this method. I am complete the engineering mathematics, complete my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel and share and getting the benefit. This channel is free of cost. We are discuss the example based on this method. Solve this partial differential equation of this method, we write the operator for. Operator for. You have discussed in previous video d square plus d and d dash minus 6 d dash square in z equal to y cos of x. After then d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equation m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. You are factorize of this m square plus 3m minus 2m minus 6 equal to 0, m plus 3 and m minus 2 equal to 0, then m equal to 2 and minus 3. You write the CF equal to f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y minus of 2x, and find the pi y cos of x upon d square d and d dash minus 6 d dash square. First we factorize of this denominator. Factorize of the denominator, you getting the value of y cos x upon d square and 3 minus plus का 3 of d dash and d plus 3d dash and d minus 3 2 of d dash. You are factorized of this denominator in the form of this d plus 3d dash and d minus 2d dash. We are solution of this function. First we value of this. So 1 upon d plus 3d dash y cos x over d minus का 2d dash. After then comparing the value of this d minus का md dash, we are getting the value of m of this. Then m equal to of 2. Then y plus mx equal to c, putting the value of form of this y plus 2x equal to c, then y equal to c minus of 2x. So 1 upon d plus 3d dash y integration of y cos x and dx. We change the value of y in the form of c minus of 2x. So 1 upon d plus 3d dash integration of c minus 2x cos of x dx. We are changing the y in form of x, so we are integrating of this function. This is the first function and this is the second function. You are integrating of this function d plus 3d dash. Integrating of this, first is this c minus 2x, integration of this function sine of 2x minus differentiation of this function, differentiation of function of this minus 2 c0 and cos x integration sin x and whole of integration 1 upon d plus 3d and d dash c minus 2x sin of x, value of minus and minus plus, again differentiating of this integrating of this function with respect to x, minus minus plus and sin x integrating minus cos x. So again 2 of cos x of this. Again the change the value of c minus 2x in y. So 1 upon d plus 3d dash, value of this y sin x minus 2 cos of x. Again we are find the value in the form of this. फिर again d plus d minus m d dash. So value of this and value of this, so m equal to minus of 3. Again putting the value of minus 3, y minus 3x equal to c or y equal to c plus of 3x. Understand the better simple question of the this. We are factorize of the function and the separately we are find the pi of the first factor of d minus 2d dash. We get the value of this. After then again you are find the value of second function and integrate of this function. Please make a note. The value of this integration of y sin x minus 2 cos x of dx, and y equal to c minus of c plus of 3x. Putting the value of this c plus 3x sin x minus 2 cos of x and dx. We are integrating of this function first and second. This is a single function, so c plus 3x and integrating of this function minus cos x minus differentiation of this function 3 and integration of this function sin is minus cos plus cos x, or cos x again integration of sin of x minus differentiation of this integration of this function 2 sin of x. Value of this again change in form of y, so c plus 3x is y minus of y cos x and 3 minus 2, this is the sin of x. This is the pi of this partial differential equation, the complete solution. Then z equal to cf plus pi, so f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y minus of 3x and minus y cos of x plus sin of x. This is the complete solution of this partial differential equation. You are understand the better. This is very simple. We are first the factorize of the denominator in the form of d minus md dash, and separately we are find the pi of these functions. That's all in this video. We are going to start in next video some most important questions for depend upon this method and next method. And I again request you, please subscribe, likes my channel. Thanks for watching the complete video.